Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of algae. And aim of today's practical is study of Nostoc. Nostoc, it is the name of algae. Let us see how to do the practical. Let us see the requirement of the practical. We need the culture of Nostoc. We need dropper, needle, slide cover slip, blotting paper, watch glass and glycerol and microscope. These are the requirements of practical. In procedure, what we have to do? The Nostoc colonies are very small, hence suck it with the help of dropper and mount in a drop of glycerol. Mounting in glycerol, it is a temporary slide preparation. And observe this slide under the microscope for its details. In observation, what we have to observe? First, we have to write about the Nostoc filament. Nostoc, it is a filamentous algae. It is unbranched. And the Nostoc filaments, they are embedded in the mucilaginous balls. And it is a filamentous algae which consists of two types of cells. Number one, the vegetative cells and the slightly larger heterocyst. These two types of cells occur in Nostoc. All the vegetative cells of Nostoc, they are similar in size and shape. And the heterocysts, these are also large sized cells. These are slightly larger than the vegetative cells of Nostoc. And the position of heterocyst in filament, it may be terminal, that means it occurs at the end of the filament, or it may be subterminal, or the position of heterocyst, it may be middle to the filament. Okay. The heterocyst, that consists of double layered cell wall. The outer wall is smooth and continuous, whereas the inner wall is folded at both the polar regions of the heterocyst. Each heterocyst is having two polar nodules. There may be only one polar nodule in the heterocyst which is present at the terminal position of the filament. Nostoc cells are prokaryotic in nature. The nucleus is not well developed. Nostoc reproduces asexually by forming spores. The spores which are produced by Nostoc, they are kinets and hormones. The small fragments of Nostoc, they are called hormones. And each fragment that can grow into a new Nostoc filament in favorable environmental conditions. The sexual reproduction in Nostoc is absent. This is the classification of Nostoc, and to the right side Nostoc colony is shown and Nostoc single filament is shown here, and it is an algae and the division is Cyanophyta, class is Cyanophyceae, order is Nostocales, family Nostocaceae, and the name of the genus Nostoc. It is the algae.